Hello everyone.
Happy December 15th. Today we celebrate cupcakes, Bill of Rights, and cat herding. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Cupcake Day. A fluffy celebration of sweet joy. A great gift could be a cupcake baking kit, a gourmet cupcake box, or a cupcake-themed candle. What's your favorite cupcake topping? Let's frost the comments. It's Bill of Rights Day. Honoring freedoms and history. A thoughtful gift could be a history book, a patriotic mug, or a civic education kit. What freedom matters most to you? Let's reflect in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 10 days away, and the countdown is frosted with anticipation. It's Cat Herders Day. A playful nod to impossible tasks. A sweet gift could be a cat calendar, a quirky t-shirt, or a cat toy set. What's your funniest herding cats moment? Let's laugh in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.